Respected faculty, administration, family members, and my fellow peers, Assalamu alaikum. I would like to begin by saying that it is a huge honor, privilege, and most importantly, a responsibility to represent the graduating batch of MGS HSS 2026. As a cohort that began our undergraduate journey with some COVID protocols still in place and had our academic progression impeded by both environmental troubles and regional and international conflicts, we understand that the quote-unquote real world we step into upon graduating is marred by a number of structural and political faults. Some of us are undoubtedly impacted more than others, and it would be a disservice to my education to not acknowledge my incredible privilege in being able to focus on my academics and pursuits adjacent to the acquisition of my degree during my 4 years here. It is this privilege that allows me to stand here before you. But a primary takeaway of my time at LUMS has been that such fortune is not something to be privately guarded. It transmutes into a responsibility to listen, learn, and advocate for our human and non-human companions. In my personal journey at LUMS, I imbued my interest in historical inquiry with an inclination towards artistic expression. I made zines about human rights as an issue inextricable from capital accumulation, worked on comics about China-Pakistan relations beyond the realm of geopolitics, and produced a piece of visual journalism on my Palestinian friend Mace Osama's experiences, displaced into Jordan due to the machinations of settler colonialism. These were all projects I undertook to grapple with the enormity of my ambition, facing up against the seemingly reified inequalities, prejudices, and violence I simply could not turn a blind eye to. My professors across schools created space within their classrooms and beyond to challenge normative expectations levied upon good students of a prestigious university, and transformed my educational journey into an appreciation of my smallness, our smallness, as a means to decenter personal profit in the service of something that outlives us in its radical optimism. I am particularly grateful to Dr. Hassan Karar, without whom my journey at LUMS would be without direction or ambition, Dr. Aisha Ahmed, who has instilled in me the confidence to try in any way I can to leave spaces better than I enter them, Dr. Ali Raza, for nurturing transformative possibilities, Dr. Ali Kasmi and Dr. Noshin Zaidi, who are both academic and moral inspirations, and Dr. Tom Sool for some formative criticisms. For me, the work of animal welfare, both on campus and outside of it, has become a space to actualize my convictions. Working with stray animals left to fend for themselves on the streets and subject to all manner of cruelty just because they are not the right breed, bearing witness to endless negotiations with landlords and lawmakers about their rights to life. All of this has affirmed that the problems which assail us on interpersonal and macro levels are rooted in the same disregard for community across species and environments. In a time when automation, efficiency, and individualization are increasingly taking precedence over the human spirit, I would urge my peers who, like me, are on the precipice of an uncertain world to slow down, to think about what success looks like, not just for one person, but across classes, cultures, and ecologies. Education itself is a political act, and here at LUMS, the quality of teaching enables positivist inquiry, assessment of our material and economic conditions, critical reflection upon the world we inhabit today, and advocacy to address the myriad issues we encounter. Each discipline at LUMS equips its students with the skills and discernment to make informed choices. As members of this community, we have an incomparable privilege. Most of us can make the difficult but necessary choices that affirm the value of human and humane creation and innovation. This is an option foreclosed to most people in our country, primarily due to economic factors, which is why making thoughtful decisions is also a matter of extending empathy and prioritizing nuance when engaging with contexts beyond our own. I am truly fortunate to have taken courses across history, law, comparative literature, art, and education, which emphasized a shared humanity as both the starting point and the end goal. Community is at the core of any worthwhile achievement, and I would like to take this opportunity to thank my family for their unending support. Thank you, Amma, Baba, Ramin, and Zoha, for always being here and believing in me. These past 4 years, there have been so many people I have been privileged to call my friends, people I have grown with and have learned so much from. They know who they are, but I am especially grateful to Zaid Irfan. We consulted each other while completing our LUMS applications, and now we get to graduate together. I would also like to mention the animal companions I have had throughout my life. My cats, Popsy and Addi, and my dog, Coco, taught me so much about responsibility, care, and the duties and love we owe to the world we inhabit. I am grateful to the LUMS janitorial staff who embody kindness and perseverance through difficult circumstances, to the cats who call this space a home, my peers who taught me so much through our interactions, and every single professor, faculty, administration, and staff member I interacted with. Their contributions, big and small, allowed me to represent Pakistan and LUMS internationally at a UN climate conference and a summer exchange program at a globally renowned institution in China. To see the merits of these engagements and to simultaneously understand that there is always more to be done. I have been profoundly impacted by this space and the many potentials it can hold. As I embark into my future as an aspiring academic myself, I hope these potentials stay with me, that they stay with all of us irrespective of our aspirations, and that we immerse ourselves in communities which see the world as it truly is, but do the hard, essential work to make it better. Thank you so much.